Hello again, it's the Guillories, and I'm excited, and we're excited to bring you the My Garden box. I always love the things that are in here. So let's see what project we got this time.
Oh, you're wearing the Bloomin' Bin shirt.
Oh shoot, yeah. Oops. Bloomin' Bin, another company.
If you're really that worried, you would have pointed it out in the first place.
I like both boxes.
This includes a make-your-own cloth trash bag.
Yeah, there you go, see? Oh, look, I see some cute, cool things in there. Okay.
Plant Groot?
Yes.
Yeah. Grow your own Groot.
Okay, it looks like we're doing herbs, which I kill usually, but we'll see. Made for chopping. These plants are made for chopping, and that's just what we'll do. But we'll dry some and steep some and learn other ways to use them. As gardeners, one of the toughest things for us to do is to harvest healthy and happy plants while they're at their peak. But with our culinary gardens, this is exactly what we're supposed to do. Okay, so there's a list on the herbs and information on them. And then it shows you how to properly plant them.
Grow your own Groot.
Yeah, grow your own Groot.
Okay,
I guess they're all one big thing. So, oh, no, there's more than two. Wow, there's a lot of them. Okay, so here's one pack of herbs. Let's see.
Is that oregano?
I don't know. Doesn't smell like oregano. I think this is. Might be thyme, I don't know.
I thought that thyme was the smaller one.
No.
And that oregano had big leaves.
I thought there was 3 plants in here.
The next one has 3 plants in it,
Oh.
it looks like.
Okay, and this is oregano. Okay.
There's some other thing in there.
Yeah, a little fertilizer. Okay, so Carissa.
Let's see, there's a cloth bag with stuff in it. Let's see what's inside. No, just kidding.
Oh shoot.
I'm sorry, guys. Even though I thought that scared you guys. Unless you're watching this at night with the volume all the way up.
Yeah.
Beading twine.
So, beaded twine.
You want to bead your hair? Some container. For your hair beads. No, I need this
Hair beads.
But no other kind of bead, just hair beads. And a little bit of gauze with a closed.
Okay, so that's making an herbal. We're gonna make an herbal sachet after we dry some of them.
That was found in this baggie.
So we get basil, spearmint, thyme, sage. Thyme, sage, oregano. I think this is thyme. I don't know. Okay, next. It's candy bag.
It's probably markers for and a candy.
And a candy. Yep. Garden markers.
Plant a candy and grow
candy.
candy trees. No, you can't grow candy trees.
Okay, so here's another box.
What? The butterfly thing?
Oh, why don't I just make a mess everywhere? That's basil. And this is...
I'm behind the
I
plant.
know what that is, but I just can't remember what it's called. Sage? I think that's sage. Smells like it.
I'm hiding in the garden.
Yeah.
Oh my.
Basil.
There's like a gnat going after me.
Probably from the plants. And
I have to put this away
what is this one?
Well, that one has a strong scent.
This must be the spearmint. Yeah, this one's the mint. So, okay. So, look at all these
I can
plants.
smell them all. Meat garden and squiggles are inside the plant. Grow meat garden and squiggles. I finally just smelled one.
Yeah.
I put those in the bag so
Okay,
they won't
that's
get
fine.
dirty.
Okay, next.
Some pots.
Okay, so those are what
Pepper pots.
some of the herbs go into. Just 2
There's 2 metal ones and
then
like a bunch of little plastic ones.
Okay. So there's the pots for the plants. Okay, Adrian.
Oh, there's more.
Oh, there's some more pots. Okay.
Soil.
These are insects.
I don't want to get in my eyes.
Yeah, especially if it has nematode poop. I mean, worm poop.
Worm poop in my
House blend.
eyes.
So there you go. Okay. And last thing is Miss Guardian. Squirt off. Last thing is a few more pots. So all of them can have pots. Okay, this is gonna be fun. I usually kill herbs for some reason. I'm good at plants, but
I'm good with beans. But some of them die after they're harvested.
you shame. Okay, so if you liked our video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have not already, please subscribe to us. Bye.